I'm so lost in you. I didn't know what to do. I fell in love with you, and now I feel like I lost you. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to turn. I'm lost inside this road, and my heart is slowly burned. But tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. I'm trying to be there, but you're not making it easy. I want to be the one to stand there by your side. I love you with every ounce of me. Why can't you realize that you are the man that I longed for so much? And now that I have you, I never want to give you up, and I can't take back the pain that I've caused you and the shame. But I tried to be the one that you can turn to when you're scared, when you're sad, when you need a friend to lean on. I wanted to be the one you could turn to when you're sad, when you're scared, when you need a friend to lean on. I wanted to be the one that would always be there. I've tried to make it true to you, so that you could see that I was telling the truth when I told you that I loved you so. I meant it with every ounce of me, baby. Why can't you just know that you are the one I longed for every day, and you are the one I try to be there for each day, and you are the one that I always turn to when I'm scared. Baby, be there. Just know that I need you here with me. And no, I'll never leave your side.